Once finished with grinding down welds on a new panel, you'll more than likely want to sand down the area to prep for either body filler or primer. And what better way to prep a small area than a compact sander? When I worked in the collision industry, it was exceedingly rare if a day would go by that I didn't need to use my 3-inch sander. The heaviest usage for me was after I would weld in a new piece of sheet metal. I would run all my spot welds and grind them down just about flat, preserving the strength of the weld. Then buzz the entire area with 80 grit sandpaper to prep for either body filler or primer, followed by seam sealer. Another great use for me was to quickly remove excess body filler. There are times when body filler gets into spots where it's not needed, so why waste time sanding it out by hand? Make quick work of cleaning up with this 3-inch sander. A composite body not only feels better in the hand, but also reduces the risk of any damage if bumped against paint or bodywork.